Hey there, it's Dr. Cammisa. Welcome back to our video series, and today I'm going to be showing you some different things. We're doing a bone marrow aspiration stem cell treatment, also called the BMAC, B-M-A-C. So stay tuned, I got lots to share about that. What you're looking at here is Dr. Irizarry performing a BMAC, a bone marrow aspirate concentrate. And what you'll see here is the syringes this is where the bone marrow is coming out of the tissue here. And we're just changing out the syringes here. And you'll see another syringe that has some anticoagulant in the bottom. And then that syringe is going to start to have bone marrow extracted. And he's turning the needle to get a better harvest of the stem cells out of the bone marrow itself. What you're looking at here is the needle that we actually use for our BMAC, or a bone marrow aspirate concentrate. And this is designed and manufactured by MSite Corporation. And several years ago, Dr. Irizarry was involved in some research in a comparative study between different types of aspiration needles. And part of the research was done at our clinic by lead researcher here, Dr. Peter Everett. And so this is another reason why we only use the best of the best. What you're looking at here is a collection of bone marrow aspirate concentrate. And what I'm doing is that I'm collecting them and putting them into one syringe here. And these are all 10 cc syringes of all bone marrow harvest stem cell. So then we're going to take this full syringe here. We're going to take this to the lab, and we're going to process it, concentrate the stem cells, and ready for injection. We have bone marrow concentrate right here. We have heparin inside the filter here. It's a 200 micron filter, and now we're just passing the bone marrow and stem cells through the filter here to the bottom syringe. So we're going to capture any kind of debris, and so I'm going to just put a little bit more air through there so we can push the rest of that through there. Oops. There we go. There we go. And you can see some of the debris and clotting that's in here. So now we have a pure BMAC concentrate, so bone marrow aspirate concentrate, in through here. And now we're going to process this just like PRP. So we're going to go to the next stage here. What you're looking at here, this is similar to our PRP. But now we're going to have stem cells, bone marrow stem cells in here in one of the layers. And so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to pull all the plasma that's going to come up into this tube. Once the red blood cells start to come into the tube here, I'm going to turn this valve over to this 3 cc syringe, and then we're going to capture the stem cells, the bone marrow stem cells that are on the next layer, into here. So this is what it's going to look like. So first we're going to start to pull, and you can start to see the plasma starting to come up. We've got to create that vacuum. There's the plasma. And right there, I'm going to turn this. We're going to draw stem cells into here, and that's it. So now we have stem cells in here, and this is all the plasma right in here. So now we're going to flip it around. And we're going to inject the stem cells into here again, and we're going to spin it one more time. So now we're going to spin it one more time to separate it even more. Beautiful. Okay. So now we're going to spin this like we just do our final PRP spin. All right. So what we have here, this is the plasma, and at the bottom here we have all the stem cells at the base here. So we're going to extract the plasma, and then we're going to wash the bottom of the container to agitate the stem cells, get them off the bottom of the container, and put them into a separate syringe so that we can start to make all of our syringes up. So this container had all the bone marrow and stem cells, and you can see now the bottom of the container is clean. And for this case as well, we also did a 120 PRP draw. So we're going to have a lot of product. We've got a lot of syringes to make for knees, hips, shoulders, and SI joints. So we've got, this is the containers that we used for this particular case. So as you can see, there's a lot of detail that's involved in the BMAC or bone marrow aspiration stem cell therapy process, from the harvest to the syringe collection to the processing of the product and obviously to the injection. So it's the second type of stem cell that we do. We do MFAT and we also do bone marrow. So we only use your cells. So every time that we do a procedure, we just try to improve our efficiency, improve the concentration. So until next time, as we empower you to live your best day every day, have a blessed day.